I'm here today to introduce to you a very unique project which you can take back to your home, to your school, and you can immediately apply it. The project is known as the World's Children's Prize for the Rights of the Child, and City Montessori School is the India Center for this unique project which comes from Sweden. On your table you will find a yellow envelope which is kept for you. It's for you exclusively. It contains two magazines, a CD, two magazines, and an introduction to this project called the World's Children's Prize for the Rights of the Child. So I request you to please open that envelope. The next slide, please. The World's Children's Prize for the Rights of the Child is an annual empowerment process for young people who are between 10 years and 17 years, and they are asked to vote. They are asked to cast the vote for the global vote, which is for 3 candidates chosen from world over, and they are working for the children's right everywhere in the world. So it's the world's largest project. It now involves over 22 million children from 50,000 schools across 94 countries in the world. And our school is privileged that being the world's largest school, the organization called the Children's World, which is headed by Mr. Magnus Bergmer, and he is now the executive director of the World's Children's Prize Foundation. He has chosen City Montessori School to be the India Center for this project. We now coordinate this project in over and above 4,000 schools in India. And we are going to show you a video as to how this project is conducted all over the world and how you can do it in your own school. Thank you. We have placed on your table a yellow envelope. It contains an introduction letter as to what this project is all about and also how you are supposed to conduct this global vote at your school. There's a second page which says, how are India's children? Just to read one fact out of the 10 that have been mentioned, it says, 1 out of 14 children in India die before the age of 5, usually due to the causes that could have been prevented. 25 million children in India are orphaned every year. So this is the state of children in our country alone, and it's even worse worldwide, especially in Africa. So this project aims to educate people and also to empower children to know about their rights, what the children's rights are, as per the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child. And this year is a very special year because in 2009, the United Nations on 20th November is celebrating 20 years of the completion of the declaration of the UN Declaration for the Rights of the Child. City Montessori School was chosen as the India headquarter due to the sheer number of children it has and being the world's largest school as per the Guinness Book. Also, our department, the Personality Development and Career Counseling, is the focal point in India, and we coordinate this project with the help of our team in over and above 4,000 schools now. And your school will be a privileged school if you just do a simple thing. On page number 3, you'll find a registration form which you can easily take out. And all you have to do is to fill this registration form and give it to us before you leave for the next activity. Next, please. So the immediate benefit to your school will be that upon filling this registration form, you'll receive a certificate from Sweden certifying that you are a global friend of the World's Children's Prize. And second thing is you will get magazines, a set of magazines like this. This is this year's magazine. It's come in a big size with a 10 on top because it's the 10th year of the World's Children's Prize. And along with that will come a poster. You'll get a poster like this and a teacher's guide also. So you can use this to conduct the global vote to inform children what this project is all about. And there's a teacher's guide in black and white which will give you the details of this project. Next, please. So to mark the 10th year, there's a Decade Global Vote being conducted, and this time we don't have 3, but we have 13 prize laureates. So out of 13, you have to choose just one. So the top people in all these years have been chosen, and one of them is the great champion of human rights, Mr. Nelson Mandela. So voting dates start from 1st July to 25th October. All those schools who will register will get a set of magazines, hopefully by second week of July. And thereafter, any date from second week of July till October, you can conduct this global vote, and you can submit us your report by 25th October, which is the deadline for this year's Decade Global Vote ceremony. Next, please. So these are the 13 prize candidates this year, right from Nelson Mandela till the last year's laureate, Somali Ma'am, whom you saw in the video. Next, please. So first step is that you're going to take now is filling the registration form. Second, next please. Step 2 is you will educate children about the World Children's Prize by distributing them these magazines and also telling them to visit the World Children's Prize website. It's www.worldchildrensprize.org. And thereafter, children can participate in the global vote. You can appoint a teacher at your school who can become the global friend teacher, a global vote coordinator, and she can conduct this ceremony. Next, please. Step 3, you will send us the report by fax, by email, by phone, or by post to us at CMS. Next, please. So, as they say that winners are differentiated from losers by act of taking the first step. So we all are winners over here, and I request you take the first step, that is to fill this registration form and sign up for this project, and we make sure that you are a participant this year. Thank you so much for your kind attention.